Hello everyone, this is Polyester Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we're going to show you a review of some more garments we made for Inga. A cashmere coat and a dress. We've already showed you several garments we made for her. A frock coat, a skirt, a vest, a dress, and a blouse with the raglan sleeves. Today we want to show you this amazing cashmere coat. The coat was made on the basis of the basic pattern. There are the regular inserted sleeves in it. The coat is doubled with the woolen shawls. We've already showed you how to double the coats with the polyester batting. This technique is also very useful. Watch the videos on how to do it if you haven't done it yet. Have a close look at the coat. It's made of the 100% natural cashmere. Inga, turn around, please. The vents on the sleeves are decorated with the gold buttons, and so is the strap on the back. It's of a very interesting shape. Notice that the coat is very accurate. It fits the body perfectly. Inga looks absolutely amazing wearing this coat. Mass-market clothes would never fit the bodies that well. Have a close look at the lining. Notice that it's top-stitched. As I've already said, the coat is doubled with the wool shawls. They're stitched in between the main fabric and the lining. Due to this fact, the coat is pretty warm. There is also a pocket here on the wrong side. Such pockets are very convenient. There are also the patch pockets on the front. The flaps are lined, and so are the pockets. Have a close look at these details. Notice that we use the threads, which match the color of the fabric perfectly. Have a close look at the details. They are all perfect. Inga is wearing a beautiful wool dress under the coat. We'll show it to you when Inga takes the coat off. We've already showed you a dress of the similar design. Let's have a look at the dress Inga is wearing now. As I've already said, this is a wool dress. Have a look at these fabrics first. I want you to see how the wool and the darker fabrics can be combined. All of these combinations are very beautiful. They can also be combined differently. The dress is made of the high-quality Spanish wool. The best thing about it is that it could be washed without any problems. I have a dress made of the same fabric. It's very convenient. Have a close look at the front. Each of the chest darts was divided into parts. These are the regular shoulders. There are tiny shoulder pads inserted in them. The dress is of a perfect shape. I recommend making the seams on the center front. You can move the waist tucks to them in this case. The chest darts are very beautiful. Let's have a look at the back. There is a slit here. It ends with a tiny button. There are also the waist tucks on the back. This is a perfect winter dress. It's the second dress we made for Inga. Such comfortable winter dresses of the simple designs are very convenient. Inga likes the garments with the long sleeves. If I was sewing a dress for myself, I would have never made long sleeves in it. I would have made 3/4 sleeves, or even shorter ones. Inga is perfectly fine with the long sleeves. The best thing about the dresses of the simple designs is that they can be worn with different accessories: scarves, necklaces, shawls, and so on. Such dresses with the low necklines are the best for winter. That's all for today. I really hope that you find my tutorials useful. Don't be afraid of experiments, and remember that practice makes perfect. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.